Hey everybody, it's Irish Rebel out here, out in the ice. Just want to show you, take a look. It's very, very deep. Anyways, so here I am. Water. I'm all set up for a little bit of ice fishing. And I'll try not to get MV. There's my ice hut. And look at this, I brought my tractor. And here we go. Coming in for a landing. Now, oh, maybe not. It's a flyby. Now, folks, it doesn't get any better than this. And there you have it. We got a little bit of flying and we got a little bit of ice fishing. And look at all these people. Oh my. It's beautiful out here. And we got to take off. There we go. Then I'm going to go back in and jig a little bit. See if I can catch something. Nice. I lost it. There we go. That's awesome. Try not to get MV's head. There we go. I'll tell you, no one can land a plane better than MV, I'll tell you. So smooth. Anyways, I'm gonna get back to fishing, and we'll keep you posted if we catch anything. Bye-bye. Ice fishing.